What up, fam? This is what I think it might have sounded like if I produced on a Carter 6.
All my niggas cutthroat, cut a nigga head off, he looking like he Bumbo. Smoking like double Dutch, all you niggas jump rope. Syrup in the double cup, fruit punch like knuckles. All my niggas up though, bands on bands in my pants, that's a drum roll. Elephant memory, but I can't remember her though. All my bitches buck roll, monkey on the back like Michael Jackson in bubbles. Funky on the track and I'ma have to go Dumbo. They gon' go up, oh. Elephant in the room, but I can't sit out the jungle. Lots of fucking jumbo, big face hundos. A bitch got an elephant booty, not a front rows. It's that gas mask face, ass straight gun smoke. Niggas with the mad face, smash face, snub nose. I ain't snuffing up for this, but you could get snuffed out the gun go. What up, though? All my niggas cutthroats, 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 cutthroats. What up, though? All my niggas cutthroats. What up, though? All my niggas cutthroats, cutthroats, cutthroats. What up, though? All my niggas, what up, though? All my niggas, what up, though? 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 All my niggas cutthroats, cutthroats, cutthroats.
What y'all think about that?